What if your house could drive itself to the most beautiful place on Earth and look like a spaceship doing it? Take a look at that. Just take it in. Because what you're looking at right now is not a concept. This is real. This is the 2026 Volvo luxury motorhome, and it just changed everything we thought we knew about life on the road. Stay with me for the next 5 minutes, because by the end of this video, you are going to want to sell your house. Welcome to RV Life Explorer. Let me ask you something personal. When was the last time you actually felt free? Not weekend at a resort free. Not scroll Instagram from your couch free. I mean truly, deeply, no alarm clock, nobody can reach me, wind in your hair, mountains in your windshield free. Most Americans work 50 weeks a year to afford 2 weeks of vacation. 2 weeks. In a cramped hotel room. In a city that looks exactly like the city they left. We were sold a lie about what the good life looks like. And Volvo? Volvo just blew that lie up completely. Now let's talk about what Volvo actually built here, because the specs are insane. First, look at this exterior. Double-decker, twin-axle, aerospace-grade composite panels. That angular white body isn't just gorgeous, it's aerodynamically engineered to cut through crosswind at 70 miles an hour like it's nothing. The massive panoramic glass up top isn't decorative. That's your living room ceiling. On the second floor, you pull up to a national park. You press a button. The entire living deck extends outward. Slide-outs on both sides. Suddenly, this isn't a vehicle. It's a penthouse suite parked on the edge of the Grand Canyon. Step inside. Heated Italian marble floors. Smart glass windows that tint on command. A chef's kitchen with a full induction range and a wine cooler stocked for 2 weeks. A master bedroom with a California king that, I am not making this up, has better mattress quality than most 4-star hotels. The upper deck? That's your entertainment lounge. Full surround sound. An 85-inch retractable display. A 360-degree observation deck surrounded by smart glass. You can watch a lightning storm in the Rockies from a leather sofa while sipping bourbon. This is legal. This is a thing you can actually do. Under the hood, Volvo's new hybrid electric drivetrain pushes this beast to a highway range of over 900 miles on a single charge and tank combo. And the self-leveling air suspension? You'll feel smoother on a gravel road than a Tesla on the freeway. Close your eyes for a second. Actually, don't close them. Keep watching. But imagine this. It's a Tuesday morning. You wake up. No alarm. You look out your bedroom window and you're parked on a cliff above the Pacific Coast Highway. The ocean is doing its thing below you. The coffee maker already started because it's on a schedule. Your partner is reading on the upper deck. Your dog is watching seagulls from the observation window. And you are exactly where you want to be, which is nowhere specific and everywhere at once. That is not a fantasy. That is a Tuesday. In a 2026 Volvo luxury motorhome. And here's the part the luxury travel industry doesn't want you to know. Over a 10-year period, full-time motorhome living in a vehicle like this costs less than the average American mortgage. Less. With infinitely more freedom, infinitely more memories, and zero HOA fees. This isn't just a vehicle, this is a life decision. Now I know what you're thinking. This isn't my life. This isn't realistic. And I want you to ask yourself, why not? Who told you that? Who decided that your life had to look like theirs? The road doesn't care about your zip code. The road doesn't care about your credit score. The road just goes. And with the 2026 Volvo luxury motorhome, you can go with it, in more comfort than 99% of people will ever experience standing still. If this video hit different for you, smash that subscribe button right now. Because every single week, we are bringing you the most insane, most jaw-dropping luxury motorhomes and RV builds on the planet. We find the ones nobody else is talking about, and we bring them straight to your screen. Hit that like button if the 2026 Volvo just made you rethink everything. And drop a comment below. Tell me, are you, I'm selling my house, or not yet, but I'm thinking about it? I read every single one. Until next week, stay curious, stay free, and keep moving forward. See you on the road.